ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೆಸ್ಟ್ರೋ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಯನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನರಾರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 23/5/2024 ಮತ್ತು 25 ಶಾಲೆ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸತ್ಯವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆ, ಸತ್ಯವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗ, ಸತ್ಯ ವಾಕ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಪ್ಪಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚನ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು.
By narrow, domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms to the airy desert, sand of
is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall
into a sovereign. Radhika, please come forward. First. Followed by Mrs. Netravati. Coming to 8th standard. Before 8th standard, Third to seventh, the coordinator or HOD is Mrs. Rajeshwari N. Please join her. Eighth set children, there is a small change. Kamalama madam 8th B, Sharmila 8th C. Please change your places. Kamalama madam is for 8th B and Sharmila madam is for 8th C. Coming to 9th standard, this is Kamala HS for 9th A. She will be joining us. Mrs. Deepika for 9th B. Now I think other classes you know, even then as a formality I'll announce it. 10th A, Mrs. Malini K. She is our librarian head also. 10th B, Mrs. Rashmi. 10th C, Mrs. Sarita Sringeri. 10th D, Mrs. Geeta Kesi. Their HOD or coordinator is Mrs. Farzana Jabina. Now coming to subject teachers. Social teacher Mrs. Alpana Laha. English and Social Studies Mrs. Nishat Sarmadi. Computer teacher Mrs. Prabhavati. One more computer teacher Miss Nahida. One more computer teacher will join us shortly. Coming to the admin.